In the heart of Lufkin, Texas, a culinary enthusiast named Ebony was weaving magic in her kitchen. Inspired by the rich, robust flavors of her hometown, Ebony's love for cooking was more than a hobby, it was an intrinsic part of her. One ordinary day, while concocting a special feast for her loved ones, Ebony discovered a unique blend of spices that took her cooking to an extraordinary level. With every bite, the flavors danced on the palate, leaving a lingering taste that was quite unlike anything else. This was the birth of E's Secret Seasoning. Ebony dedicated herself to refining this blend, hand-picking each ingredient with utmost care. The result was a seasoning that was a tribute to Lufkin, a smoky warmth reminiscent of barbecue pits, a zesty tang that echoed Tex-Mex cuisine, and a blend of spices that were a symphony of flavors. News of Ebony's secret seasoning spread throughout Lufkin, and the locals were enamored. The demand for E's Secret Seasoning was high, and Ebony was ready to rise to the occasion. With unyielding support from her family and friends, she embarked on a journey to share her creation with the world. From conceptualizing the packaging to establishing a production facility, every step was a testament to Ebony's dedication. The day finally arrived when E's Secret Seasoning was ready to make its grand debut. A launch party was organized, and an air of anticipation hung heavy as guests experienced the magic of E's Secret Seasoning. As the event wrapped up, an overwhelmed Ebony made the much-awaited announcement. E's Secret Seasoning was set to hit the shelves, ready to add a dash of Lufkin to kitchens far and wide. Ebony's journey has truly been remarkable, a journey from a homely kitchen in Lufkin to kitchens across the nation. But no matter how far E's Secret Seasoning travels, its heart will always remain firmly rooted in the flavors and traditions of Lufkin. The taste of home now is just a sprinkle away.